Sienna is being sold at its original price. Let's check its pros and cons. 5.16 meters long, the similar size as your familiar GL8, but much wider. The lateral space is much bigger, but it's hard to drive it at narrow places. This is a premium version with thick tires. It's not pretty anyway, but it's so soft and elastic. As a father, you should know you're the family driver, so the comfort of the front seat is your major concern. The heating and the ventilation for 2 seats, memorial driver's seat, well heating. The shame is only 3 and 9 o'clock are heated. The other parts are cold. A large storage place. Here is for the phone. Here's even a small partition for cups holders. A giant armrest box with a huge space inside. You may put many high heels of your wives in it. The second row of Sienna is large laterally. If you put them in the back to make it a 4-seat car, it's longer than your legs. Excellent. 2 seats, heating and ventilation. The higher handle is for the adult and the lower the child. The angle of the light can be adjusted, so you can read or make milk for a baby. 8 cup holders on the second row for USB charging port, an AC output, the sunshade and the privacy glass. Only 2 problems. The resolution ratio of the screen for children is a bit low. Only support HDMI, no projecting, no board. When it's 2 fifths to the front, the third row can be lowered by 45 degrees, which is like lying down. 1.5 fifths to the front, nice height, but the cushion is a bit short. It's the third row for adults. A large trunk with deep space, can hold many suitcases of 28 inches. Put it, the third row goes below the floor, which forms a large trunk. 4 scores of it. Its HEV mode has a big and small battery, which needs no input electricity. A bit convenient, but the batteries are relatively small and the engine starts frequently, so you can hear its noises. The throttle is gentle, outstanding power, the suspensions are soft. Wind noises and tire noises are well controlled. The largest problems is the noise of the engine. After the ride, I think it deserved the original price, if only there are 4WD versions.